Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to turn text into editable shape in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see turn text into editable shape. Now you go into the menu tool, then we show the menu tool. Now we going to the shape tool option. Now click from rectangle shape option. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now you can see, then I go into the move tool option and move the shape. Now we change the color in the shape. Now click from mouse in the shape in the layer box. Now click from mouse, double click. Now we select from color. Now click from OK. Now you can see, then apply the text. Now going to the again text menu option, text tool option, then click from now type your text. Now I'm going to the click tick mark option. Now I'm going to the again move tool option. Now we can see, then we show the text, this text into the apply editable shape, turn into shape. Now you're going to the layer box option. Now select from two layer. Now click from mouse right button option, then we change the text color. Now we're going to the color menu option, then click. Now select from any choose color. Now click for OK. That it's. Now we select from going to the layer box option. Now click from select from shape and text layer. Now click from mouse right button option, then click. Now click from merge layer option. That it's. Now you can see turn text into shape in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for